So
That's
today
hilarious.
we thought we'd have some fun with the help of some of our in-studio audience members and viewers. We're going to play a little room roulette. Okay.
Yeah, here it is.
Here
We
it is.
spared all expense,
Look at that.
and we made a graphic
Digital.
because, and we made a digital roulette wheel.
But wait, there's more. It actually moves.
Yeah.
It does.
Look, there it goes.
Our graphics department is going to spin it. Oh,
Okay.
kitchen
Wait,
one.
I missed the spin?
You were supposed to go like this.
I was supposed to go like this, and then I was going to say no whammies, no whammies, no whammies, stop. And then it was going to stop, but anyway.
All right, so the room that wins is the kitchen, and one of our viewers, Robin, is here with a kitchen question for us. Robin. Hi, Robin.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
I'm great, how are
What
you?
is your kitchen question, my darling?
Okay, so I just moved into a new house 6 weeks ago.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Thank you. And I have pendant lights that I want to put over my kitchen island.
Okay.
Got it.
How
That's
long?
your island there?
And
Is
here's
this
the
yours?
photo.
Yes.
Okay.
So right now there's just 3 bulbs there. And
Okay.
I want to know how long I should make them.
Okay.
How far down your pendant should
far
come?
down?
How far into
Okay.
the room?
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, I would say this is just a sort of a standard we use on the show, and we also, it's just sort of in the real world. 36 inches above the countertop. Anywhere from 30 to 36, depending on your height, depending on the height of your ceiling.
Match
There you go.
it.
Oh,
Ta-da!
that scared me.
Double check.
Look at
That
that.
looks about right. That's 36.
So,
okay.
36. And then
So
you can see
You can see under it,
across.
right. You can see under it. Now, the other thing is in your house, it looks like your ceilings are about standard height, like about an 8-foot ceiling height. So you could use a flush mount. You could use something that hangs.
Is that what this thing is?
Right. And by flush mount, this is actually just a fixture that just it will
Sits closer to the
It sits
ceiling.
closer to the ceiling.
Oh, that's pretty.
And it's
Look
a
at
flush
that.
mount.
That's my kitchen.
That's Carson's
your
kitchen.
kitchen?
Yeah.
It looks
And
so
you
good because I
never
never
use
use
it.
it.
And he never uses it, right?
Yeah, but I have nice lighting.
So either a flush mount, a semi-flush mount like Carson has, or I would stay away from the actual pendant fixture.
and one
because I
last
think it's going to
thing.
hang too low.
Right, yeah.
Tell them about, because you're removing a fixture, you're going to have a hole there. So
Yeah.
this is also nice, but it's going to cover that area.
Right. And when you're taking,
yeah.
like if you have a recessed fixture, sometimes you can get a bigger canopy that will cover the hole. But in your situation, you actually have
Just a light bulb.
They're light bulb
Yeah.
sockets, so you'll be fine. You'll be fine with this.
Yeah, I would do those.
So this is a really nice, and also something like this can go traditional or modern.
Right.
Really
Right.
clean, really simple.
Very
and
pretty.
Yeah,
It's
so really nice.
medicinal,
It's
what I
medicinal,
call
we
it.
call it.